Topological symmetry. So a model is topological symmetrical when it has equal number of faces on one half as the same as the other half. So it must match a border edge. So in other words, one side has to be exactly like the other side. Those faces must be identical. So that symmetry runs down a center line of the mesh. So in this case here, we run right down this center line of the mesh. All the faces on one side have to be the same as the faces on the other. No face could straddle that center line. So we typically will build half of the model and then we'll duplicate it on the other half by mirrored it across that continuous center line. We can define our topological axis by setting a topological axis, or we can enforce symmetry on a slightly asymmetrical model by applying symmetry to an existing mesh, or during our retopo operation, when we retopolize a mesh, we can enforce symmetry in that method. So once again, topological symmetry is when it has equal number of faces on one half is the same as the number of faces on the other half. So that center line then must straddle it right down the center line, and no face can go over that center line. So that is topological symmetry.